In this video, we're going to show you how to install the blower motor on your Kia Sorento, located up underneath the passenger side of the dashboard. Now on the passenger side here, underneath our glove box, there's going to be a cover right here. This covers our blower motor. There's going to be 2 screws right here. Simply going to use our Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove these. We're going to be reusing those screws, so hold on to those. Go ahead and grab that cover and drop it down and pull it towards you. I'm going to go ahead and use my trim tool, and I'm going to release our wiring harness from this here and go ahead and remove that cover. Now the connector itself, if you push in on the button on the back side here, you should be able to wiggle this off. Go ahead and pinch that tab and pull that out. Now right here is the lock tab. So when you push down on this here, it's pushing this tab down here to release that lock and separate that. Now right here is our blower motor itself. We're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and loosen and remove the screws, holding this in place. Now with the aid of a mirror, I was able to locate that back screw. It's a 4th screw right here. And when you drop this down, you want to pay attention on the back here. There's a port that lines up with a back section back there, so it has to line up in order for your blower motor to fit up into place. So you can go ahead and remove this. Go ahead and take your new blower motor, get that up into place, position that accordingly. I'm going to go ahead and get one of these front screws started. Go ahead and snug those down. Once those bottom out, you just want to snug them a little bit more. They don't have to be super tight, but you just want to make sure that it's held up in place. Go ahead and grab that electrical connector, line that up, push it in. Give it a little tug, make sure it's locked on. Now once that's secure, go ahead and grab that cover. You want to make sure that these 2 tabs here line up with the plastic mounts in the back. There's just 2 little tabs hanging down, or 2 little inserts. So now that we have the back installed there, go ahead and grab that harness, line that up, and pop that into the hole there. Install the screws. Just snug that down gently, and do the same for this one here. Now at this point here, the blower motor is installed. You want to go ahead and operate your fan system, make sure everything is working perfect, and at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.